Hello and welcome to the Renegade Forex Smart Money Concepts trading course. This is an introductory video. Before we actually dive into the course, I just wanted to say welcome and I'm happy you're here. I'm really glad you've taken this commitment, this leap into learning how to trade with smart money or learning how to become an institutional trader. I hope that whatever method or whatever channel got you to where you are right now, I hope that was a smooth process. If you have any questions or any concerns, definitely reach out in the Discord group. Basically, I just want to give you a warm welcome and kind of hype you up for what you're about to learn. So I, first of all, want to give you a little bit of background about myself. I am a funded trader. I have been trading for overall about 3 years. I would say I've been trading with smart money for about a year, give or take. And it's something that I've put a lot of time and effort into learning. And I'm excited to be able to share it with you. And the reason why I want to share it with other people is because this is what I needed basically to overcome myself and overcome the retail concept of trading. And for a very long time I was convinced that indicators were the thing that made the market move, but through time and trial and error and a lot of practicing and a lot of studying, I then realized that there's actually something behind the scenes happening, and that's what I want to teach you throughout this course. And so I hope you're excited to learn that. I hope that you take this seriously. I talk a lot about how to learn as we go through this course, but just to give you an idea, I would definitely recommend watching every video multiple times. Whether you watch a video, honestly, I would just recommend watching each video 2 to 3 times. The first one, just watch it all the way through. The second time you watch it through and take notes. And then the third time you watch it back through again, and read your notes as you're watching it, because each lesson is packed with so much information that if you just skim through all of this and maybe you skip 1 or 2 lessons and you wind up to the end, you're going to have wasted a lot of valuable time where it doesn't sound like, it's not what anyone wants to hear. But if you go slow and steady through this and you absorb this information, you'll actually come out better in the long run over time. So don't just rush through this. Don't fly through it. Treat this like what it is. It's a valuable piece of education that you're investing in, and take it seriously. Take each lesson seriously. Watch each lesson 2, if not 3 times, and go through the entire course doing that, and then go through the course again if you need to. This is not something that's necessarily going to click overnight. I hope that you do have those moments where you're like, come out of a lesson like, oh my God, that makes so much sense, or I can't stop seeing this now. Now that I see stuff in the market, I can't stop seeing it. But I also know that, just like myself, it took a lot for me to actually get to the point where I'm catching trades like what you see on the screen. So this is a journey. Make sure you enjoy it. Make sure you invest the time, the effort, and the energy that is required to become a professional trader. We are professional traders, and people who trade at this level that you're aspiring to be, I would consider us professional. To some degree, we're a professional athlete. We need to train, we need to study, we need to practice, we need to do all of these things in order to become the best that we can possibly be. This is not, as I'm sure you know by now, this is not something that you can just hop on the chart and just click buy and sell a bunch of times and make a bunch of money. I wish it was that easy. I wish that the people that lead you to believe that were correct, but unfortunately, as I'm sure you know, that is not true, and it does require a lot of hard work. It requires a lot of dedication, and it requires a lot of understanding as to why things are happening the way that they are. So I just wanted to remind you of this simple truth, that this is a journey, and it's going to take time, and it's going to take effort, and it's going to take dedication. And that's not to scare you away. That's not to frighten you in the first in the first video that you're watching of the course, but it is to just remind you that if at any point in time you get stuck or you get confused or you think this isn't working out for you, come back to this video, remember where you were at when you started this video, and remember where you're headed. And that's basically, that's the whole concept of this course, is to get you pointed on the right path, and what I believe is the way to trade. and, get you trading and thinking the same way as, as myself, as your mentor. So yeah, I hope this course, I hope it is something that changes your life in the way that it's intended to. And I hope you take it seriously. I hope also, as you go through, you take notes and document your journey, really. Like, who you are today is not going to be the same person that you are when you finish this course. And so enjoy it, soak it in, absorb all this information, and I'll see you on the charts.